Welcome back to another Camp Nou construction update. As work continues across multiple sections of the stadium, recent matchday conditions have provided a real-world test of the project while it is still under development. Before diving into the latest construction progress, it's important to briefly address what happened during the most recent match and how it connects to the current phase of renovation. Before we move on, make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any future Camp Nou construction updates. Now let's continue with today's progress around the stadium. During the recent match against Real Oviedo, heavy rain revealed some limitations of the unfinished stadium. Water leaked in several areas, affecting fans, journalists, and even club president Joan Laporta. Camp Nou is still under renovation, with key roofing and structural elements incomplete. Laporta noted such issues can occur during construction and confirmed they will be resolved, while the Phase 1C license delay shows why authorities remain cautious under real matchday conditions. Despite these administrative delays, construction activity on site has not slowed down. Across the stadium, workers continue treating major beams using lifting platforms, preparing structural levels that are directly connected to the future facade system. These facade slats are not merely decorative. They play a key role in wind resistance, drainage, and long-term structural stability. Teams are working simultaneously at multiple heights, reflecting careful coordination and ongoing momentum. At ground level, one of the most important developments here is the widening of access points. Areas previously opened using hydraulic equipment have now been reinforced and concreted. Armatures and formwork have been completed, and the newly poured concrete is helping to level the surface and strengthen key access points. Improved entrances directly enhance crowd circulation and safety, which is a critical factor linked to Phase 1C approval. Another key milestone is the preparation of a new compression pillar, now ready to be lifted into position. These massive load-bearing elements are designed to support the upper tiers and the future roof structure. Their installation confirms that vertical construction is progressing as planned. Camp Nou is not only expanding outward, but also growing upward, which is essential for the next stages of the project. At the South Goal, work continues steadily on elevated platforms. Large structural beams are being painted and treated, while diagonal elements are already in place. Some vertical connections for the facade louver supports are still pending, but overall preparation is clearly advancing. Concrete activity near the corner also indicates reinforcement work beneath the structure, bringing this section closer to the facade installation phase. The North Goal shows consistent progress, particularly in the installation of louver support structures. Inside the structure, multiple teams are active across different scaffold levels. While exterior changes appear gradual, interior construction remains steady and ongoing. Elevator installation is advancing quietly but steadily. Door frames, enclosures, and finishing details are now clearly visible. Elevators are critical for accessibility, VIP movement, and overall stadium functionality, highlighting that Camp Nou is being built for efficiency, inclusivity, and large-scale use. Camp Nou continues to progress structurally, visually, and functionally. While safety, circulation, and licensing remain under careful evaluation, solutions are actively being implemented on site. Once Phase 1C is approved, the stadium will be better equipped to safely manage increased capacity and matchday demands. If you want to stay updated on every construction milestone and official decision, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next Camp Nou renovation update.